Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt, and today's pronunciation tip is about the title of one of our books. It's our book about the weather, ane care. So ane is a word which means here it is, here something is. Ane. Oh, you might go, oh, where's my, oh, ane, here it is. Or if somebody asks you for something and you're giving it to them, you can say ane, here it is. And so when we add care at the end, it's kind of emphasizing that. The way I describe it is that it's something that's been more missing or a bit lost or something, and so it's kind of like, oh, here it is at last, or here it is, and it's a completely different place to where I thought it was. Ane care, ane care. And so both of these, that just means here it is, but this is just with more emphasis. So just be careful to pronounce this as care, because this sound is e, and with the macron it's just a bit longer. So this is ane care, and that's how to pronounce it within this song as well. Ka kite.